definitely excited to get to that point, and I know it's going to be a big difference maker for this area as a whole. The reason we have a nice contingent from Visit Pittsburgh here, and I'm sure Allegheny County Executive Fitzgerald is excited to see people coming into this area and enjoying Steelers country, whether they're wearing Cam Hayward or Baker Mayfield jerseys or any other team. It's going to be a great thing. So we're going to give it up Rich Fitzgerald from the county. Thank you.
Thanks, Nick. I was so excited I did the ride. That's why I lost my voice screaming. But I'm sure a lot of people will be. What a great partnership when you think about two great Pittsburgh institutions, Kennywood and the Steelers, who've meant so much to this region for decades and decades. And the fact is, neither one of them sitting still and resting on their laurels, continuing to invest in the future, continuing to invest in this region's future. And Nick's right, with Visit Pittsburgh and all the people that come into town, we will welcome people, even if they're not wearing black and gold. That's the preferred jersey. But if they wear some other jerseys, that's okay, as long as they spend money and book hotel rooms and do all those kind of good things. But we are excited that this great park, which has been such a Pittsburgh landmark and institution for over a century, with the great traditions that'll still be here, the Jackrabbit Racer Thunderbolt, but now moving forward into the future with an iconic ride like the Steel Curtain, the largest, the highest one in the state, and the most turns in North America. It's something to be proud of, as Pittsburgh is always moving forward in a great way. So I want to congratulate Jerome and Ryan and the Steelers and Kennywood for continuing to invest. And obviously the fact that both of them still have the black and gold is what makes us so special. So congratulations to everybody. Can't wait for that first ride. Thank you.